Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, MelodySusie has sent me over this 24+3 gel polish nail kit, and I'm so excited to try it. When I first opened up the box, as you can see, it has so many colors, and I can't wait to try and swatch these. But first we have the little MelodySusie tips and manual on how to properly apply their gel polishes, and then you also get some more tips and the warranty and the customer service on how to reach them. And then next it comes with this other little card. So now on to the gel polishes. I tried to give you guys a closer look, but the box was so big I didn't want to knock my camera down, so I didn't really bring it too close. But on the side here we have 3 little bottles, and you do get a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat, which I thought was pretty good because most kits doesn't include a matte top coat, so that was a good thing about the kit. And first I'm going to open up this green color just to let you guys see the consistency of the gel polish, and this shade is 597. So when I opened up the bottle, I thought the gel polish was super thick. Like it was thicker than the other gel polishes that I have tried. Although I will say that the pigment in these gel polishes are super bright, and I feel like you will only need 1 coat. So I really do like that about these gel polishes. So I'm just going to get into the swatches, and since we do have a lot, I'm just going to breeze by them really fast, and then I will come back in the end. So these are the first 6 swatches of the colors, and so far I am really loving these. They are super thick, but they're also super pigmented, so I really do like that a lot about the gel polishes. And you only need 1 coat, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I only did 1 coat on these swatches. This purple here is such a beautiful color, and purple is my favorite color. Like it's just so pretty. And this pink right here was also one of my favorite colors. So these here are the second batch of colors I swatched, and these are more on the darker side. I do love these colors. Like I just can't stress it enough how pretty these is. And of course I'm going to say something extra about this purple here, because like this purple is such a pretty color. And this third section that I'm swatching here, these colors are more on the like pastel side, which I really do like because you get a variety of colors. You get some bright neons, you get some more darker tone colors, and then you also get some pastels. So that's another thing that I like about this kit. You do get a variety of colors. And then here are all the pastels colors that I swatched, and I didn't mention it yet, but I did cure these each for 60 seconds. Once I was done swatching the color, I just went ahead and put it in the light as I swatched the next color, so I didn't have to wait like 60 seconds after each. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch this next group, and this group does have some glitter in it, and I was super excited when I saw that these had glitter. Like this kit literally comes with just about all of the colors, and this glitter here is so pretty. Like these are some chunky glitters with some little smaller ones, and then we have a gold glitter. These have some chunky ones in it too, and I really do like these glitters. And then this one here, this is more on like the finer side of glitters. These didn't have chunky ones in it, and I felt like the purple and blues together were so pretty. Like, it's just super pretty. And then next we have a red glitter, but the background of this, it looked more orange to me. But yeah, these did look more shinier off camera. Like, the camera isn't doing these colors any justice, because these glitters were so pretty in person. Like, you just have to get this kit. And I did cure these for 60 seconds as well. So once I was done swatching all of these colors, I went ahead and put labels on them, and I put them on my little swatch ring. And here are all the colors side by side as a kit, and these are super pretty. I do have a discount code, which is KEY, and it will save you 12% off your order on the website, and I will make sure that I leave the link down to where you can get this. And here is another show of all the gel polishes together. This kit is super affordable, and I feel like you do get a nice bit for the price. So now that these swatches are over, to get into my nail set, so here as you can see, I have both of my nails already on. I just went ahead and put these nails on using the press do method, and I'm taking the color 988, which is like a soft nude cream color, and I'm going to be painting my nails this color. I'm going to be doing 2 layers of this, and it was very difficult trying to do my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, so I did mess up around my cuticles. But before I cure, I just make sure that I cleaned up around my cuticle area with some acetone, and then once I finish the first layer, I'm going to go back in with another. I'm not going to show all fingers, but once I got that first layer done, I just cured for 30 seconds, and now I'm going back in with the second layer of this cream color. So once I got done, I cured these for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go with these pastel colors in the shade 9, 986, 955, 1045, and 924. And I'm going to be putting each of those on my nail palette, because I'm going to be doing like some little sprinkles for my nails. I haven't said what I was doing, but I'm pretty sure you see by the title. But taking my dotting tool, I'm taking the smaller side, and I'm taking each of these colors and just putting some dot on my nails. But as you've seen by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be doing like some little ice cream melted nails. So these dots are going to be my little sprinkles on the nails. So I'm just going to repeat this step over all the nails, and I'm going to cure after each for 30 seconds just so that I don't mess up the dots. And this is how the first nail looks once I was finished. Super cute. So I'm going to cure that and repeat that same step over all the other nails. So of course I'm not going to show all of them because it's super repetitive, but once I was done with all the nails, this is how the nails are looking. And so I wanted to add a matte top coat, so I'm taking the matte top coat and I want you guys to see inside the bottle. And usually matte top coats are like clear, but this one here is more like a frosty look inside the bottle, and I kind of like that since it is matte and like it looked frosty inside the bottle. So I tried that on the pinky finger just to see if I would like it, and I was looking at it and I did like it, so I just went ahead and continued adding top coat over all the nails, and then I cured these for 30 seconds. And then once I had these all cured, these how they look, I do like them way better matte. So next I'm taking these hot pink color in this shade 411, and these are going to be like my little ice cream drips. And I wanted to use this one like so it's like a more brighter contrast than the like pastels. So I'm taking my bigger dotting tool and I started by putting the big dots where I wanted my drips to be, and then I just kind of like dragged that down towards the cuticle, making like the little drips, and then I filled in the cuticle area. And then once I filled in the cuticle area, I just kind of took my dotting tool to connect the little drip just to make it look more of like a melted look. And then I took some acetone on the brush and just wiped up the sides. And then once I got it as best as I can, because like I did say, I am doing this on my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, so it was a little bit difficult to do. Once I got it as good as I can, I went ahead and cured that and moved on to the next nail. So I'm going to be repeating this step over all the other nails, except I did find out an easier way to do this. Once I put down my big drips, I turned my dotting tool to the smaller side just so that the lines weren't too big and like I could make it a little bit more neater. Once I put down the big drips, I just turned my dotting tool to the smaller side, and it did make it a whole lot easier. So with that being said, I'm just going to let you guys continue watching the rest of the nails. So once I was done with that, these are how the nails are looking so far, and I can't believe I actually did these this neat. It's not the neatest, but it's pretty neat for me to be doing it with my non-dominant hand. So next I wanted to add some top coat, but I didn't want to get the top coat on the matte part of the nail, so I just put some of the top coat on my nail palette, and I'm taking the smaller side of my dotting tool and I'm just working that top coat on the pink drips as best as I can. And once I do that, I'm going to cure and add my cuticle oil. So this is after they have been cured with the top coat. And next I'm taking my cuticle oil and putting some of that on my cuticles and rubbing that in. And I will make sure to leave her Instagram down below so that you can DM her if you're interested in purchasing this cuticle oils. She do have plenty of other scents, and the scent I'm using is bubblegum and it smells really nice. But these are how my nails turn out, and these are super cute, some little ice cream melted nails. And I can't get over the fact that I did this with my non-dominant hand. I am really improving. I will leave the link to where you can get this gel polish set and the discount codes all down below, and comment down below what you guys think. And at the first beginning I did have both of my nails on, so I did plan on doing 2 sets with the gel polishes, but I'm going to save the other design for the next video. But I will give you guys a little sneak peek here. Turn on your post notifications so that once I post these you don't miss out, and comment down below what you guys think of this nail set. And as always, if you have made it this far and enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.